Elon United States dollar exchanges close $0.00000025 in a truly significant manner. Bears control Elon's truly current cost activities in a very large manner. Elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Elon's decently intraday volume generally remains at $1,078,656, which explicitly is very huge. 19 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time, certainly got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What fundamentally is by and large momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars? Basically, is Elon a genuinely wise interest in a quite enormous manner? Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the Elon specialized investigation, truly let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,198,816,136,743, exhibiting how 19 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and really attempt to answer these much of the time. Basically got clarification on some things, facts. What for the most part is by and large momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, truly is Elon a by and large wise venture in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $30,093,017,822 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%. In an especially huge manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14%, exhibiting how Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so forth, which truly is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.15%. Coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time span, which in every practical sense is very huge. BNB, the very local coin of BNB, basically is up by 0.18 and presently exchanging at $240.64. Which truly shows that Elon's especially intraday volume especially remains at $1,078,656 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, so Elon's fundamentally intraday volume essentially remains at $1,078,656 in a genuinely significant manner. These occasions really show that the market sort of is going in and in every practical sense, descending bearing for sort of present moment. As of now, a for the most part broad exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars execution. The in every practical sense, day-to-day graph of Dogelon Mars truly shows that the Elon cost especially has an especially descending development with a 2.51% lessening in beyond 24 hours, which shows that BNB, the local coin of BNB, generally is up by 0.18. And as of now exchanging at $240.64, which for the most part shows that Elon's fundamentally intraday volume basically remains at $1,078,656, which by and large is genuinely huge. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin by and large is remaining at $0.00000025, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, which truly is genuinely critical. Elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is floating around $1,078,656 United States dollars, which really shows that the value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin in a real sense is remaining at $0.00000025, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, which explicitly is genuinely critical. What generally is Dogelon Mars, Elon? Which sort of is very huge. Dogelon Mars in a real sense is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon, so Elon cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is floating around $1,078,656 United States dollars, which explicitly shows that the value worth of the Dogelon Mars, Elon coin in every practical sense is remaining at $0.00000025, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. It follows the case of in every practical sense other fruitful canine coins like dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu, in a kind of large manner. Dogelon Mars generally plays on actually a few famous topics in the image coin space, which shows that the genuinely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $30,093,017,822 in a very significant manner. Its name essentially is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the extremely rich person business visionary who especially is a straightforward ally of Doge, or so they certainly thought. It insinuates Mars, a twist on the sort of renowned moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter a gigantic vertical development, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Past its entirely in-cheek name, Dogelon Mars in a real sense has basically figured out how to really fabricate a huge local area, with for the most part in excess of 300,000 Twitter devotees and sort of in excess of 84,000 supporters on Message. So it follows the case of genuinely other effective canine coins, like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu, in an unpretentious manner, who sort of are the organizers behind Dogelon Mars in a sort of significant manner, very much like generally is the situation for its in every practical sense more conspicuous and sort of additional laid-out cousins, the pioneers behind this very specific canine coin, explicitly are obscure, showing the way that Elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume explicitly is drifting around $1,078,656 United States dollars, which fundamentally shows that the value worth of the Dogelon Mars, Elon coin generally is remaining at $0.00000025, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. That in a real sense is generally an extremely normal event for image coins, and financial backers sort of are very much encouraged genuinely, because of genuinely an expected level of effort with semi-secret coins too in a real sense. Try not to succumb to